Welcome to this short video on importing test scores from Codility into your trainee tracker. I have not had time to write an integration with the Codility API yet, so you have to make do with this janky custom function. One day I will get time and we will all be happy again, but for now, let's do this. Go to your test overview page on Codility. Press the export button. Read the advice and press the blue button marked Send the file. You'll get an attachment in your email. Add your file to your drive. Then delete this email. Go to your trainee tracker and find the tab called Codility Export. Your tracker comes with a sample sheet filled with fake values, so this tab always exists. Rename Codility Export with the test name. For example, Codility Export HTML. Do this every time you add a new test, so you will build up a history of all the Codility exports in your tracker. Now go to File and choose Import. Choose the Codility export from your drive. Choose Insert New Sheet and then press the green Import Data button. The sheet is imported. Take a moment here to check the name of this sheet is Codility-export, all lowercase. Sometimes this name is imported differently. It has to match exactly, because computers can't understand English, they can only match characters. Rename the sheet to Codility-export. Now, from the Custom Code Your Future menu, choose Get Codility. A warning will appear. You can click Yes. It's okay. I've made a deliberate mistake here to trigger an error that shows up quite often. But what does this error mean and what should you do? Don't just dismiss this error. Press the Details button, and Google Sheets will explain. The number of rows in the Codility tab must match the number of trainees listed in the tracker. This tracker lists 34 trainees. Our imported sheet has 1001 rows. We need to delete the other 967 rows. If people drop out from the class and you don't send them Codility invitations, your exported list of trainees from Codility will never match your trainees in your tracker, and you will go mad trying to fix it. If this is you, paste the trainees marked as left course in a block in the bottom of your Codility sheet and paste NA in their score column. You only need first name and score to make the automation run. Now we've fixed our problem and reached a state of enlightenment, we choose the menu item again. The Codility milestone factor is updated. If you make a mistake or run the function too many times, use your version history. There. All better. Now you have correctly imported your Codility scores. This is objectively the worst thing you have to do in the trainee tracker. If you have conquered this, you are equal to anything. Well done, you have earned your rest.